Hello, hello. How's everybody doing today? Another night of VIDZMO reaction video. Gonna share you my screen and we're gonna do random reaction video. Whoa, what's this? Oh yeah, VIDZMO. If ever you're in my arms again. Pibo by Bryson. Sang by Gigi Gilana. Nice. Okay, but today we're gonna focus on Morissette because she's got so much followers, millions of followers. This lady. Where's that thing? Okay. Where's that? 45 million views. I was looking for that thing. Okay. Um. Where is this? Pero Atik. What's this thing? Okay, we're gonna do a review on this thing. I haven't seen this before.
Makatawa kong maghunang-hunang nganong naglisod kong move on mo una. Di balimtanon mangyud unta ko ang butok na unsa to bigyon ko kalimot nimo habang karon na bag-o na.
Wait, it's a Bisaya song, folks. So yeah, if you're not from Cebu or Bisaya, you don't understand the song.
Ballpen manggani mawala feelings pagkahan diri na lang ko kutob diri na lang ko taman dili na kumukukot sa tao ko sobudakan kay kung dinyo wala tayo pong sanay ay nalang ay naku katika pero atikra 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 move on.
Wait, if you're from Cebu, folks, this kind of vocals, it's just like normal in Cebu if you are from Cebu. But maybe from other country or US, this is like they're gonna get blown away by simple songs like this. But in Cebu, this is like normal vocals. People can sing. Most of the ladies there can sing like this.
Murag uyak, ambot ning dughan ko, patakalag pasagad. Ngano man naglisod ko og buhing, awa man ta ko gumiti. Paglisad ko di, habang karon mabag-o na. Ngawa gyud ko'y maani, ning kung maghatag pa
Yeah, making simple words extraordinary, you know, simple meaning. When she's saying it feels like ordinary. Okay. Oh, we're gonna find more Bisaya songs from her. That was a Bisaya song, by the way. Pero Atik ra. I don't know if she got more Bisaya songs. Binuhol sa Bohol. Hello, YouTube. Okay, because I can't find another oh, here. They went to Cebu to perform. Okay, I'm gonna share you this
Hey, filmmaker.
come on now. They went to play Vispop. Vispop, folk. Vispop. Okay, Vispop.
Ako i-share ninyo. But actually, dili ako nagsuwat anin. I'm actually very proud to say, ang mga naghimo ani mga kanta ha, taga diri jud sa Cebu. I'd like to just acknowledge them. Their names are Relden, Raven, and si ganihan nag-perform po si Ferdinand. I'd like to sing this song for everybody. This is actually, ako personally, this is my very first Bisaya nga track. Munang proud kay ko mga makakanta ko kanang original ba nga Bisaya jud. Kung kay bawa ni kantaha, please sing along with me. Title ani niya, Undangon Tani.
Undangon Tani.
Una na siya.
Stop this.
Sige.
Undangon Tani means let's stop this. That's what it means. Let's stop this.
If you guys know this song, please sing along. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bispak, sa pag-invite na ako diri. Super happy ko. It makes me proud as someone who is, of course, again, born and raised as a Bisaya niya. Kanang... Sapa! Dili ready akong sound check.
Okay.
Malik na lang ta.
That was good, by the way. Atikra. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Since a lot of people are subscribing on this Morissette thing, we're gonna concentrate on this, on her music. What's this thing?
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan. Rearrange.
Nagkamali ako ng record. But we're heading off to
the ball. Ayaw niya, sige.
Pwede na magyayapak naman tayong lahat mamaya.
Kaya nga eh.
We're going.
In different parts of the cave, but then
What's going on?
Salazar, who is here with us today.
What?
We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I die a little. Still the moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough. As you drive me to my house, I can't stop these silent tears from falling down. You and I both have to hide on the outside. If I can't be yours and you can't be mine, but I know this: we got a love that is homeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't I say that I'm in love? I wanna shout it from the rooftops. I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep, but I'll never show it on my face. But I know We got a love that is homeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Oh, what do you think so far? Was good, huh?
I don't wanna live up this way. I don't wanna hide this away. I wonder if it ever will change. I'm living for that day. Someday. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you?
Change song swap. Let's change song. Something that we understand.
Ready to launch your business? Get started with the commerce platform
I know.
Page for entrepreneurs. Shopify is specially designed to help you start.
Okay. What do you think? Thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna upload this video. Bye for now.